And today I'm going to wash my pan using a specific cleaner for stainless steel and aluminum cookware. I think some people also use Barkeeper's brand or something that's a very similar product, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, you see this film, I guess, that doesn't really wash off that easily. Oh, and I still don't have water on my kitchen sink yet, so my water doesn't work, so I have to use a bucket of water, and it's still kind of dark outside, although it is getting a little lighter. The sun's about to come up. It's 6:40, 6:48, somewhere around there, so the sun will be coming up soon. Anyway, just the better you season the pan, this film doesn't wash out very easily. You literally have to scrub it out. So you know you're getting better, which I suck at seasoning the pan, by the way, but you know you're getting better at it, the better film that you can get on it. Hey, new show, Cleaning with Alan. See how that's not coming out? I can get the light over there better. Put the light on the other side. I need better lighting anyway. How's that? Does that look good? Okay, so you really, even though this would be, you can let it set for a while and soak. You want that to be hard to come out of there. You want to build up layers and layers and layers, but I don't want to build it up and it be crappy. I want to build it up and it be good. So I'm just going to clean this out and start over, re-seasoning the pan. Probably again with flaxseed oil, but you need like 10, maybe, I don't know, 10 coats on it. To really do good. I'm getting better at it. I'm having to learn all this junk. Looks pretty good. The pan will get better at non-sticking the more you use it and the more you build up layers of seasoning on it. But probably only if it's done properly. I don't worry that much about the bottom. Don't even know if that will come off. Well, yeah, I guess it will if you scrub it long enough, but you know, honestly, I ain't that willing to scrub it that much. You can polish that copper up as well if you want to. Make it look brand new, but I don't know, there's something wrong about a brand new pan. You really want a well seasoned pan, do you not? Well worn, well used. Give it character. Well, banging it around on everything probably gives it character too, but and there we go. Relatively clean. Now, with stainless steel, you don't want to let it set and dry. I don't think you do. I think you kind of want to dry it. Afterward, make sure that it's, because stainless steel can rust. Of course, you can clean the rust off, but that's probably not perfect. I got little places around in here that's not clean, but it don't have to be perfect. It just can't be gross. And there we go. One ready to start seasoning pan again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.